Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out this Surface Pro charger cable. So let's go ahead and see it. So guys, right out of the box, this is for Surface Pro charger. It's a new 65 watt Microsoft Surface Pro laptop and tablet charger, compatible with Surface Pro 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, X Surface, and more. Check out the listing for more information. So guys, this is what it looks like. Definitely looks like it's made of high quality material and cable line. So basically what you do is, this is your charging end. You have plenty of cable so you can run it from your, from an outlet wherever you need. This gets plugged into right here. Once you have that plugged in, this gets plugged into your outlet. It's just a standard 2-prong outlet. Cables definitely are thick enough. It says 2.5 amps, 125 volts. Definitely a good charging cable. Overall, it's nice, guys.